Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So politicians are still at hard at work, playing games as they typically do, and we are now sort of retesting this previous breakout. Well, we haven't got there yet, but we are in the zone. So you look at the structure; it still does look like it's some kind of a flag coming back to test the level. And we're looking for the next opportunity to buy. I'm still a fan of buying the dips, but at the moment, while the politicians are playing their games, I'd rather not be caught in this whipsaw. Okay, so basically for 2 days we've bounced around here, bounced around, and then we kind of squirted half-heartedly to the downside here at the close yesterday. Now, is it a squirt down? Or is it just looking for the next level? Now, if you look, I've got the daily levels in here, but look there's another 3-hour level there, and we're just short of that as well. Okay, so this is, you have a strong move up, strong move down, and basically all it was is you had a tweet come out that said we're nearing a deal, and then you had the opposition saying we're not interested in the deal, and it'll come down, and you have a tweet, and then you have, so that's basically what's happening yesterday. Okay, if we come down to the hour, you actually see it a lot clearer here. You can see positive news, not so positive news, positive news, not so positive news. So this is the algorithms that are trading this at the moment. They're trading Twitter right now. Whatever they see on Twitter, they pump up the market or they dump the market. So, and that is clear on the moving average. You can see up and down, above and below the moving average. This is total chaos, total confusion, big ups, big downs, complete confusion. Nothing that I want to trade. Okay, so for me at the moment, I'm going to want to see a break of the trend line. Okay, firstly, I want to see a break of the trend line and a break of this top of the range here, which is going to be in the area of 34.66. Once I get a break of that and a retest or a solid break and some kind of consolidation, that's when I'll be looking for longs again. At the moment, I recommend you sit on the sides and hold on to your money and don't get involved in this. Pay attention to the politician dance at the moment, and as soon as they have some kind of resolution, then you should see this market change. But until then, I think most of the smart money is going to stay out of this, and I think you should also be smart and stay out of it as well, until we can see something that indicates we have a change. Bear in mind, what you're waiting for is this wedge formation to play out. Okay, so as soon as this wedge formation plays out, that is going to be the key to it. But I don't think you might be able to get a long down the bottom here for a move to the top of the range, but I think I'd rather just stay out of it. I really don't see any resolution this week, and I don't think you can get a resolution before the end of before the elections are over. Okay, so that's pretty much the moral of the story. So for the next 2 weeks, you are going to be in a bit of limbo. I think it's 2 weeks. Well, actually, no. It's basically so it's a third. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got 7 more trading days. So let's just call it a week. We've got a week still before this will resolve itself. Okay. So be cautious. Hold on to your money and wait for this to break. Once this breaks the upside, so that's the level we're looking for, 34.66. That's going to be the clear indication that we need to be looking for longs. Until then, I'd be very cautious in this zone. I wouldn't want to be shorting here, but at the same breath, I don't think I want to be long, because it's just going to take one tweet and this thing's going to move down and spike up, and it's just going to stress you out. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.